Good morning, students. Today we will talk about a category of English which is not very common and which is usually ignored by most of the students and teachers of the language. Apart from the fact that it is a very important category of communicative language or the spoken form of the English language, this category which we will talk about today is called word stress. Every language uses the concept of stress, which basically forms the rhythm of language. In English, stress is of two kinds: word stress, where individual words have syllables which are stressed or unstressed. The second category of stress is sentence stress, where individual words are stressed in order to give the sentence its rhythm. I repeat, word stress, where individual syllables are stressed, and sentence stress, where particular words are stressed in order to give meaning, rhythm, and the basic fluency required to speak the English language correctly. There are certain rules of word stress which should be followed. The most essential thing which each student of the English language is supposed to know is that English is a stressed language. That is, the English language is spoken, and the basic ingredient or concept which is used in speaking the language is the stress. Now, second, word stress plays a very important role in English speaking. As I said, it gives the natural rhythm and fluency to the language. The third rule is it is not just optional for English language, but it is a very essential and a rather indispensable or important part of the English language. Now, in order to understand word stress, we have to first understand what is a syllable. Now, syllable is a minimum unit of sound, minimal meaningful unit of sound. And each word, as we know, is composed of a number of syllables, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. So in a word, there may be one syllable which is stressed, and the syllable which follows it or precedes it is usually unstressed. Then there are words which may have 2 or 3 or 4 syllables, and consequently 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 syllables in one single word would be stressed. I'll continue the topic of word stress in my next class.